Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I'm Jiyasaki. I present in Mubarakpur, Tehsil Kabirwala district, Khanewara, Punjab, Pakistan. Today my guest is Rao Muhammad Saeed, retired Subedar, and I have done 4 interviews. This one is his 5th interview. He has lot of knowledge about genealogy, particular in Rajput family. Now let's move on to his 5th interview. Assalamu alaikum, Rao sahab.
Wa alaikum assalam.
How are you, Rao sahab?
I am quite well.
Rao sahab, what would you say about the curse of dowry, which the girls had turned white?
Gentlemen, there is no doubt that this harmful custom of dowry is seen everywhere in the world in different shape and condition. But you will agree with me that excessive practice of dowry system is seen in the subcontinent. And if we subdivide the subcontinent into 3 major countries, Pakistan, India and Bangladesh, you will see that Pakistan is involving much in the custom of dowry than the rest of 2 countries. Now, according to the latest survey report in Pakistan, gentlemen, the refugee community is far ahead in the custom of dowry than the local population of Pakistan. Now, out of the refugee, gentlemen, the caste to which we people belong, I mean Rajput caste, they are going to top. They do not utilize their net cash and other assets in this way, but also dispose of their agriculture and commercial piece of land to participate and win the dowry race. With the result, about 70% parents of Rajput community are unable to provide the educational, growth and medical facilities to their children. A number of aged persons of Rajput community are suffering from inferiority complex as well as other physical and psychological diseases like heart attack, tension and depression. Gentlemen, I took interview from various people at different occasions and saw that so many dowry affected people are suffering from rigorous labor, and rest of them drive bloody donkey carts at Karachi and other small and major cities of Pakistan. Gentlemen, you will be with me that many million mothers of Rajput community are sitting and waiting to see yellow palms of their daughters. But a single beam of their hope is not possible, absolutely, gentlemen, due to inflation, high standard of living, high demand of dowry and death ceremonies, crisis of unemployment, and also because of highly increasement in the birth ratio of girls since last 20-25 years. Gentlemen, I also observed that so many youngsters of Rajput community have been involved in bloody theft and robbery and narcotics habits to recover their looted financial position through bad customs. But you all know that it is absolutely wrong way, because they cannot gain anything in this way except to spoil their career and future. Moreover, they can lose their souls also while exchanging fire with the public, police or the paramilitary forces. Gentlemen, I am surprised to know when a Rajput says that my son has become clerk. Other Rajput says that my son has become primary teacher. It is not your status, gentlemen. You are the son of Raja. You are the son of the great landlords. Yes. You must have thought like that how many MNA and MPs we have in the Rajput caste, or how many ministers are held in the cabinet, central or provincial cabinets. And still it is...
Ex-deputy speaker Rana Iqbal.
Yes, there are few. There are so many. But no. According to the population ratio, they are too less. There are few people on the proper board.
Exactly.
Yes. At least it is the responsibility of we people, so that to convince the people, go around the rural area and convince the people to avoid the harmful customs.
Definitely.
Yes. Then when this subcontinent was governed by our forefathers, our Rajput, our Rajas, more than 1,000 years. And also remember that this subcontinent is the 1/3 part of the world according to the population ratio.
Sir, what does Islam say in this?
Dowry is seen in the Islam also, but in minor scale. We people are doing it more and more. It is very bad custom. Minor things were given by the Holy Prophet, Janamaz, Masalla, Lota, you can say, water pot, tasbih, and even a single suit of clothes, not more than that. But we people have exceeded it and crossed all the boundaries. So I would like to convey the people especially for the educated people, they should go around to the rural area and advise and convince the people to avoid this bad custom, so that
Okay, it's okay. What message would you give your caste Rajput?
first of all, dowry system, it is absolutely a wrong custom. You should avoid it. And there are some other many bath ceremony of engagement in Rajput caste. You will see that so many rites are taking place, except bath. You say Nanka Daj in Punjabi.
Yes.
That is too much expensive. You will see that the people on engagement ceremony, they bring the whole bus or so many wagons over here. It is
Exactly.
very bad show. One man can come over here and to get the date of marriage, and he can go back. But people come into lot quantity.
A lot of thanks, Rao Sahab. Your unique wording. Lot of thanks again.
Okay, thank you very much. So kind of you. And
Take care. Good luck. Allah.